My name is Gordon the Goat, and I live in a secret building which is located in the village of Cromarty. The people who frequent the building where I am currently dwelling are a good bunch of blokes who have regular meetings which are a lot of fun. This evening such a meeting was held, and in preparation my master had a CCTV camera installed into one of my eyes, as he was aware that a local ruffian from the other side of the Cromarty Firth would be attending said meeting. I'm not really supposed to mention the name of the person, but when have you ever known a goat to give a fuck? The man in question is none other than Colin William Thompson of Alness. The purpose of the CCTV is simply to confirm my master's suspicion that not only does Colin pull more money out of the collection box than he puts in, but also that he eats enough sandwiches and sausage rolls to feed a small army for a week. Yes, Colin, the crumbs are onto you, boy.